Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Tuesday, July 5th, 2022. I'm just getting rolling here. 8:59. I hit oil for about 200 bucks. Turning this one on, that one on. I'm going to leave oil off right now. Let's see what we can get.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Come on down. Come on, ES. Punch through.
Order canceled.
There we go. Let's keep that profit margin. I'm going to shut it down. Come on, baby. I'm watching the NQ too.
Order canceled.
Okay. It was hesitating.
Order filled.
Here we go. See it. Buyers come in.
Order canceled.
Buyers came in hard.
Order canceled.
Okay. All right. There you go. Oofta. That was quick. That was 2 minutes. I left some meat on the bone, but 3,000 and 3,600, I'll take that. No, I want the strategy performance. Let's see what we got. Okay, $122 for commissions, 3,600, 111,000 for the month. This one here isn't going to be real great, but it was still something. Yeah, I didn't think so because the commissions killed us. It went way down, way up. I got out of it. So 8,000 or 2,000 a month? No, profit per month is 8,000. The commissions were 135. They killed us, so about 100 bucks there. And then the NQ, $3,800, $122, 100%, and 117,000 for the month. All right. Well, I'm going to call it good. Thanks for watching. I will keep the videos coming.